Let's dive into a detailed comparison of two of the most influential Linux distributions, Fedora and Ubuntu. While both are excellent, they serve different user priorities. This video will break down their core philosophies, strengths, and ideal use cases to help you choose the best fit for your workflow and experience level. First, Fedora the Innovator. Fedora, sponsored by Red Hat, is a distribution known for being modern, fast, and a close adherent to upstream open-source projects. It's designed as a proving ground for the latest Linux technologies, making it a forward-looking choice for desktops, laptops, and servers. Fedora ships with a clean, stock GNOME desktop environment and is often one of the first mainstream distributions to adopt new features like the latest Linux kernel, the Wayland display protocol, and cutting-edge developer toolchains. This makes it ideal for developers, power users, and enthusiasts who need immediate access to the newest software, libraries, and system improvements for programming and container-based development. Key advantage: access to the absolute latest well-integrated open-source software in a stable, secure package. Important consideration: Fedora has a shorter 6-month release cycle, leading to more frequent major upgrades. This is less suited for a true set-and-forget system. Second, Ubuntu, the mainstream anchor. Ubuntu, developed by Canonical, is arguably the world's most popular Linux distribution, renowned for its focus on ease of use, stability, and long-term support (LTS). It runs on everything from desktops and servers to cloud environments and IoT devices. Ubuntu offers a polished, customized GNOME desktop with exceptional hardware compatibility out of the box. It has a vast software ecosystem and utilizes snap packages to simplify app installation and ensure updates are consistent and secure. It's the go-to choice for beginners, students, professionals, and businesses seeking a reliable system that just works. It's also a dominant force in server and cloud infrastructure. Key advantage: unmatched ease of use, vast community and professional support, and a stable LTS release cycle with 5 years of security updates. Important consideration: Ubuntu's focus on stability means it adopts major new software versions more slowly. The snap package system, while convenient, is a point of contention for some advanced users who prefer traditional package management. Direct comparison and verdict: choose Fedora if you want a bleeding-edge, developer-centric experience. Choose it if you need the latest kernel features, programming languages like Python 3.13 or GCC 15, and container tools like Padman as soon as they are stable. It's perfect for those who enjoy staying ahead of the curve and work in Red Hat-related ecosystems. Choose Ubuntu if you need a stable, beginner-friendly, and production-ready system. It's the superior choice for newcomers, for deployment on servers where reliability is paramount, and for any long-term project where consistency and extensive documentation are critical. In summary, your choice defines your priority: cutting-edge innovation and rapid updates, Fedora versus mainstream stability, ease of use and long-term support, Ubuntu. Thank you for watching. Which distribution aligns with your needs? Let us know your choice and reasoning in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful software analysis.